Hi, how are you doing? It's Rue here. I hope you're doing really well today. Today in this video, I'm really excited to share with you the new Rues Hair Extensions collection. The extensions that I'm going to be showing you today are 22 inches in length. They are clip-in hair extensions and they are 100% Remy human hair. Remy human hair usually means that the cuticles are perfectly aligned, they're straight, meaning when factories process this hair, they have to make sure that the cuticles are exactly aligned downward. And usually a factory would preserve the hair cuticles so that it's intact and unilateral, meaning it goes just in one direction, which is down. And Remy human hair is considered to be the highest quality of hair. Rues Hair Extensions, I'm proud to say, is 100% Remy human hair. Now what I have in my hand right here is 120 grams of the shade Chocolate Mousse Brown. It's a rich brown color, almost reminds me of milk chocolate. Like I said, this is 22 inches long, so it is pretty long. And if you can tell, it's pretty thick from top. These are the clips right here, and I'm gonna show you all the way down are the ends, and they're pretty thick from top to bottom. And believe it or not, I've actually been wearing these extensions for about 3 months, and they still look pretty good. Like, they're still pretty shiny. I take care of my hair extensions really well, as if I would take care of my own hair. When you buy real human hair, you have to take care of it like it's your own because it's real hair. It's gonna react to the heat like your real hair. So it looks like this up close. It has a plastic grip right here so that it can grip onto your hair very easily and not tug. And the way that this, the teeth are designed, like it's in kind of like a dome shape, like it's curved. It's designed in a way where it can grip onto your hair very easily without slipping and without it tugging onto your hair. Now, I hate it when I wear extensions and it feels like it's pulling on my hair, because hair extensions are, of course, an added weight. This weighs, it's 120 grams of hair. And when the clips are just kind of tugging on your hair, it is not comfortable. I know that feeling. It's just uncomfortable when hair clips like tug and then it hurts. I've absolutely made sure that the clips that I use for Rues hair extensions are not hurtful. They don't hurt your hair. And of course, the most important thing is they don't damage your hair. And the best thing with clip-in hair extensions are, because they're temporary, you can just put them on whenever you want and take them off whenever you want. It's just as easy as that. It's actually the best feeling in the world, like when you put them on and then you style it, and then like you just wear it throughout the day, and then you come home at the end of the night or at the end of the day and you just kind of clip them back out, and it just feels so good. That's, I think, the best part about clip-ins, is that they're not permanent. You can just put them on and then take them back off whenever you want. So it's just simple as that. Okay, I think I've kind of rambled on, so I'm going to show you really quickly how I install these hair extensions. I'm going to take this 3-clip weft. Now I'm taking my 4-clip weft. Another 4-clip weft. I'm gonna separate out my hair like this. I have the back all clipped in, except the crown. I have to do that too. I'm gonna take this portion of hair, like starting from the top of my ears, and then same over here. Now starting from the top of my ear, and I'm taking a 2-clip weft I'm gonna take my weft and clip it going that way. Okay, now it's secure. I'm gonna pull this back this way. Same thing on this side. And I think it's already looking pretty good. I just have to style the hair for it to blend in. Right now I have some natural waves, but let me just clip in the rest of my extensions. I have another 3 clip weft left and then 4 1 clip wefts. I'm just gonna let this one aside and I'm not gonna use it in my hair. The thing is, I have fairly thin hair, but being that the set that I have right now is 120 grams, it looks like it is enough for me. I mean, it is absolutely enough for me. There is a set above 120 and it's 160 grams. Those also look really good on me, but these aren't that bad either. I mean, this is just enough and it's not weighing down my hair like 160 grams would probably do, only because it is a little heavier because there's more hair in that set. Now this is the packaging for your Rues hair extensions. You're gonna first open up this bottom portion of the 2-compartment packaging, and what you'll get in this right here is the hair strand tester, so it's part of your actual set. It's really easy to tell if this would match your hair color. You can totally tell if the shade is the one that you were expecting, and of course if it doesn't match, you can just put this back and then return it to us and we will get back to you. Our returns and exchanges policy and our shipping policy is on our website, so please look out for that. I hope this was informative and I really look forward to your responses, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Okay, bye!